Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest tech gadgets. Today, we're diving into the Leviton Smart GFCI outlet, a Wi-Fi-enabled device designed to keep your home safe and connected. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Leviton Smart GFCI outlet is engineered to provide peace of mind, especially in areas prone to ground faults, like basements and outdoor spaces. With its built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, this outlet allows you to monitor its power status right from your smartphone. Now, let's talk features. One of the standout functionalities is its ability to trip the circuit when necessary, ensuring safety in the event of an electrical fault. Plus, it sends you an alert immediately when the circuit has been tripped, keeping you informed even when you're away from home. Installation is straightforward, but it does require wiring. If you're comfortable with electrical work, you can easily set it up by following the instructions provided. However, if you're not experienced, it's best to seek professional help to ensure everything is done safely. While the Leviton Smart GFCI outlet excels in its core functionality, there are a few areas where it falls short. For instance, it lacks advanced smart features like power usage reports and compatibility with third-party smart home protocols such as Alexa or Google Assistant. The My Leviton app serves as the control center for the outlet, allowing you to monitor its status, configure settings, and receive notifications. It's intuitive and user-friendly, but the absence of certain features might disappoint some users. In conclusion, the Leviton Smart GFCI outlet is a solid choice for those prioritizing safety and remote monitoring. Its reliable performance and seamless integration with the My Leviton app make it a worthwhile investment, especially for areas where GFCI protection is essential. That wraps up our review of the Leviton Smart GFCI outlet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to Product Critique for more unbiased reviews on the latest tech products. Until next time, stay connected and stay safe. Thanks for watching.